All right, y'all, here we are. So it is the next day. I got the engine pulled. Everything swapped over from the old to the new. Got that all done and reinstalled back in the car and put everything back together. Got that all done yesterday. I'm fairly confident this thing will start up. I have oil in it. The reason I had to let it sit overnight is because I resealed the water pump and the thermostat housing, so I had to let that RTV set up overnight. So I got the keys here, I got oil in it. We have no coolant just to make sure it's gonna run first. So here we go, we're gonna go fire it up. All right. Got a light flashing. I'll have to check that out. Okay. We'll see. Make sure there's no leaks under the car. She's definitely smoky, but I'm not seeing any leaks. Okay, so it's been a little bit. The car is running and driving perfectly fine. Oil level is good, coolant is good, blowing hot air all the way across, engine runs perfectly, it drives perfectly. But then I have that's the AT oil temp light. Not sure exactly what that is. I'm gonna be looking into it. I really don't understand it because I did not touch the transmission at all, but that's kind of how these swaps go. It could very well be that I happened to do this much work to the car, and now that it's got a better running engine, something else is wacky in the transmission. I checked all the trans fluids, the front differential and the actual trans fluid, everything looks good. Tried all the little tips and tricks, diagnostic tips and tricks, and nothing has worked. So it's just been flashing solid the entire time. So that's kind of the reality of these swaps. So yeah, I mean, I'll let you hear it. Runs perfect. It really does. So with that said, I think my next move, this is honestly really frustrating, but I also did tell my buddy who I'm doing this for that, you know, the next likely component to go would be the transmission. I didn't think it'd be like a sensor. I think it's the temperature sensor, sensing that it's too hot. And I don't think it's actually too hot, because I did nothing to the transmission. I've checked all the connectors in it. I've checked the fluid levels. I've done everything. Cannot figure it out. So I'm going to start by replacing the automatic transmission filter, the spin-on filter on the outside of the trans. See what that does, and if it doesn't work, then I might end up dropping the trans pan, checking out any solenoids under there, sensors, whatever there might be, and changing the actual filter underneath the oil pan. I'm hoping we don't have to do that. I'm hoping it's just a simple, stupid fix, but like I said, I'm defeated. I've been trying to diagnose this for 2 hours. Other than that, the car's perfect. I wouldn't want to drive around seeing that light flashing. So that's kind of where we're at. So I hope you guys enjoyed that time lapse. I thought it was pretty cool. I'm kind of amazed that I was able to do that in one day. I could have had it started yesterday, like I said. I just had to let silicone set up overnight, so it is what it is. But luckily I have 3 days until my buddy gets back and needs the car. He's in Vegas right now, so you know, hopefully I can do some diagnostics and figure something out in that time. So alrighty guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.